Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Python libraries on your Windows system. So let's start the video. Here I'm just starting my command prompt. So in search box, I'm typing cmd. So here my command prompt started, and guys, here I'm going to type a command Python hyphen version to show you what version of Python I'm having. So you can see here it is showing me Python 3.11.1. And now guys, I'm going to show you pip version, because for installing or uninstalling library we need pip. So I'm typing pip and space hyphen version. So you can see it is showing me pip 22.3.1. that is the version I'm having. So now guys, first of all we will see what libraries we are having on our system. So for that I will be typing a command pip and list. So guys, you can see it is showing me packages, libraries and their version. So here you can see contourpy, cycler, and then I'm having matplot, numpy, pandas. So many packages I'm having. So I will be showing you how to install packages. So for that you need to simply write a command pip uninstall and the package name. So here I'm writing pip uninstall numpy and just hit enter. So guys, it is showing me that package is found, so that means it is installed on your system. And now it is asking whether you want to uninstall or not, proceed. So just type Y for proceeding. Here it is showing me successfully uninstall numpy. And now guys, I'm just starting my IDLE, and here I'm typing import numpy, and you can see I'm getting message no module named numpy. That means it has been uninstalled successfully. Also you can see that on command prompt also. So on command prompt just type py and it has taken you to py script. Now here you can type import numpy, and guys you can see same message you are getting here also, no module name numpy. Similarly guys, you can uninstall other packages also. So let me just exit from this py. So I'm typing exit parenthesis, and guys now I'm just typing pip uninstall pandas. So again it is confirming whether you want to proceed to uninstallation or not. I just type Y, so it's showing me pandas successfully uninstalled. Similarly I'm uninstalling matplotlib, same command I'm typing, and then I'm giving library name as matplotlib, and it has also been successfully installed. Now guys, I'm uninstalling scipy also. So this is a command for uninstalling scipy. So guys, similarly whatever packages you want to uninstall, you can just type uninstall pip uninstall and the package name. So guys, I hope you like this video. If yes, then do hit on like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.